Bob has been a broker for over 30 years. Has served the Katy, Richmond, and all West Houston areas since 1976. His extensive knowledge of the market trends make him an expert. If you are looking for experience and knowledge, call Broker Bob. Welcome to 2663 Cyrus Hill Drive in Katy. Situated on a corner lot, this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home features a desirable split floor plan that is open and perfect for entertaining. The spacious living areas flow seamlessly into the kitchen and dining spaces, creating an inviting atmosphere for gatherings and everyday living. The home comes fully equipped with all appliances, including washer and dryer, along with a sprinkler system and garage door opener for added convenience. Recently updated and move-in ready, this home offers comfort, functionality, and ease from day one. This wonderful property is ready for you and your family to move in and enjoy. Don't miss this opportunity to own a fantastic home in the heart of Katy.